Hello all, welcome to Shri Purnima. This is Jyoti. So we are having a small mini store located. It's a home-based store. Okay, it's a home-based store located at Sadashivam Nagar, Madipakam, Chennai. We are accepting only the online orders as of now, and also because of the lockdown situation in Chennai, we are accepting only the blockings. Okay, so you can block the sarees or the dress materials whichever you want. So once the courier services has been started, you can pay for the order and you can ask for the dispatch. Okay, so you can just block the product. Okay, if the product is confirmed order, if the order is a confirmed one, you can block the product and you can pay before dispatch. So this is how we are operating as of now in the lockdown situation in Chennai. So we are dealing with sarees and dress materials. Today I have some printed dress materials. Okay, it's a pure cotton. The fabric will be very premium. All of the dress materials are with different kind of printing, and it will be very good. So I will explain the details along with the product display. All these products are pure cotton. The price is 750. Okay, the price is, hope the video will be, hope the picture is clear. Okay, all of them are priced at 750. All of them are printed cotton dress materials, pure cotton as well. So this is the first one. So this is how the dress material will be looking. The top and bottom will be 2.5 meter each, and the dupatta is also 2.5 meter. Okay, so this is the bottom. You have the contrast bottom, red in color. The bottom is also printed, it's not plain. Okay, and the dupatta. The dupatta is also a cotton dupatta. So this is how the dupatta will be looking. Okay, so this is the dress material. It's a green base. Okay, you have the printed thing. Okay, this is the first one. Hope the picture is clear. The video is not blurred, I hope. Okay, this is a green color. There might be slight color variation in the video due to the lighting. Okay, so please check the real color before the order is placed. Okay, only a minute changes will be there. So this is green with red. This is the first one. All of them are printed. The top, bottom and dupatta, everything is 2.5 meters. Okay, so this is the first set. This is not the patchwork. This is actually the printing. This is how the design will be. The price is 750. Shipping charges is extra, 60 rupees within Tamil Nadu and 100 rupees rest of India. COD is also available. COD charges is 100 rupees extra to the product and the shipping cost. So once this courier services is operating, the dispatch will be starting. Hopefully the lockdown is not extended. So this is the next one. So this is the next one. You have the printing coming in the sleeves as well. So in the sleeve part also you can have this kind of printing. Sorry for the disturbance. Actually my kid is asking me to come up. So this is the next one. You have this kind of pant. Okay, you have the printing coming in the borders, and this is the next one. So it comes with a green with black combination. So this is how the dupatta will be, and this is the bottom and this is the top. Okay, so this is how the dress material will be looking. All of them are priced at 750. Actually it's a bottle green color. It's not blue color. The shade is coming wrong again in the video. So the quality of the fabric will be very good. Okay, this is a pure cotton dress material, but it will be soft as well. So please share the screenshots of the dress materials, okay, of any product. If you want to book over the live video, please take the screenshot of the product. And this is the next one. It's a grey with yellow color. This is grey with yellow shade. So it's a full printing, okay? It's all printing coming in the top, okay? Back and front both there is a printing. So this is the next dress material. It's a lovely grey with yellow combination. The quality will be very good. The top, bottom and dupatta, everything is pure cotton. So this is yellow and this is the dupatta. Okay, this is how the dupatta will be looking. So this is the next set. Okay, priced at 750. A lovely color combination, a different design. Okay, it's a 750. Shipping charges is extra. My WhatsApp number is 915055680. I am repeating, it's 915055680. I have mentioned the direct link of my WhatsApp as well. So you can directly message me without saving my number also. So I have listed all my collections in my WhatsApp catalog. So this is the next one. You have a ration kind of design printed as well. So this is the bottom. The bottom, dupatta and top, everything is 2.5 meters. So this is the bottom. And this is the dupatta. Actually in the dupatta also you have this kind of designs coming. Hope you can able to see that. Okay, so this is the next set, a pink with black combination. Price is 750. Okay, this is the dupatta. Okay, you have the borders and also the designs along with the dupatta. The top, bottom and the dupatta, everything is printed. So my WhatsApp catalog, all my collections are listed. So you can refer to all the collections in a single click. So this is the next one. Just a minute. Yeah. So you have this kind of design, a beige with pink combination, and this is the bottom. A very intricate printing in all the dress materials. Okay, all of them are 2.5 meters. Okay, the top, bottom, dupatta, everything is 2.5 meters. And this is the dupatta. This is how it will be looking. The dress material, it's cotton, but the material will be very soft. Okay, it's actually a sandal based color. Okay, it's a sandal with pink color. It's a beige color. So the printing will be very, very nice. It's very intricate printing. Okay, it won't fade off. And I'm moving to the next one now. All of the dress materials are 750 rupees. Shipping charges is extra. And this is yellow with red combination. So this is the neck and the design. You will be getting this design in the yoke part. And a red color printed bottom and the dupatta. The quality of the fabric will be very, very soft and premium. Okay, the quality will be very good. This is how the dress material will be looking. Okay, it's a yellow with red color. Okay, you have this kind of designs in the, this is the designs you get in the top. Okay, these kind of printings along with some shaded part. And this is the next one. It's a grey with red combination. Actually the color combination is also very nice in this particular set. So you have this kind of printing. a flower one, a blossoming concept. And in the pant as well you have the roses. So hope you can able to see, you have the roses. And the dupatta is a red with grey combination. These are all pure cotton. Okay, so this is how the dress material will be looking. So this is the next one. Okay, this is how the dress material will be looking. It's 750. Okay, it's a grey double red combination. And the last one for today's live, a purple shade. So you will be getting the printing for the sleeves, okay, as like the ones I have in the sleeves, you will be getting this in the sleeve borders, okay. If you want, you can match it with the down border as well. So this is how the top will be looking. You have the plain, you have the borders in the corner, so you can match it with the bottom, or you can go with, okay, so you can do like this also. So it's 2.5 meters, whatever the way you can, you want to stitch, you can do it. So you can have it in the bottom or you can have it in the sleeve. So this is the pant. And the dupatta comes with a beige color. So this is how the dupatta will be coming, okay. So you have the printing all over the top, bottom and dupatta. All of them are pure cotton, very soft fabric as well. So the quality will be very, very good. The printing is also very intricate and very nice. The color combinations is also nice. So these are the sets I have for today's live show. By Friday we will be coming up with some set of sarees, okay. So please stay tuned. Once the lockdown is over, the dispatch will be starting. You can block the sarees until now if the order is confirmed one. Okay, so you can pay only before the order dispatch. So that's all guys. Stay tuned, stay connected, be safe. Actually the situation is going worse and worse in our area also. So not sure about tomorrow. So we are giving the best as much as possible, okay. So stay tuned, stay connected. Please like our page, please share our products as well. So keep shopping with us. Thank you, thanks, have a good day.